How to redeem 3-month YouTube Premium. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Head over to You at the bottom right corner and then move into Get YouTube Premium. So in this page it says try 1 month for free. Well, not only this, you will also be able to see the option where it says try 3 months for free. If you have that 3-month option, then click on it. Over here you can select any of the category. Either choose individual or family. Let me choose individual for now, so click on confirm. Wait for a while for it to process. Well, you will have to enter the password of your Apple ID. Once you have entered, click on sign in. Well, now once again click on confirm. And then click on continue. It will lead you to this page. Well, in this page, you will have to enter your payment method. You can select your debit or credit card, or even choose PayPal as your payment method. Once you have selected, enter your card number, the expiry date, and CVV code. If you have entered all of your details, click on Done at the top right. Well, the payment method will be added successfully. But you don't have to make any purchase or pay any amount until the 3-month or 1-month trial ends. Well, then your 3-month YouTube Premium will be redeemed successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem 3-month YouTube Premium. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us till the end.